Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to view the trial balance in Tally Prime 4.0. So for the purpose of viewing this trial balance, you have to go to the display mode report. Then you have to select the trial balance, or you can also simply press from your gateway of Tally D and T. Your trial balance will be open. So this is the trial balance. This is the period for which the trial balance is open. So trial balance is nothing but the balance of particular ledger as on the particular date. So it is just the summary of the all the ledger as well as the all the group as on the particular date. Now we will discuss if you want to see the figure in lakhs or say in 100, then what you have to do, you have to go to the basis of value option. So this is the basis of value option, or you can press Ctrl plus B from your keyboard. Here the scale factor is default, just press enter. Here you will have an option for lakhs, million, hundred, thousand, etc. If I will select the thousand, all my figures will be converted into the thousand, and here the note is appearing that figures in thousand. Now suppose I have to configure this trial balance. Here only the debit and credit is appearing. Suppose I want opening balance, debit transaction, credit transaction and closing balance. Then what I have to do? You have to configure the trial balance. That is, on the right hand side at the bottom left, you will find F12 configure option, or you can press F12 from your keyboard. You have the configuration option in front of you. So here you have the option that show opening balance. So press here yes. Show transaction, press here. Show closing balance, press yes. And press Ctrl plus A. You will find here that the opening balance, debit transaction, credit transaction and closing balance. So this is the trial balance showing the opening, debit, credit as well as the closing balance. If you want to see only the net transaction instead of debit or credit, then simply press F12 from your keyboard again. Here show net transaction only option is appearing. Press here yes and press Ctrl plus A. Now opening balance, net transaction and closing balance will be appeared. Suppose if you want the detailed trial balance, or if you want the expand all the detail level of format, then what you have to do, you have the option for format of report. Here in the format of report you have to select the detail option, and here you will find expand all level in detail format. Press here yes and press Ctrl plus A. You will find all the detail level of trial balance, that is the group, under the group particular ledger in detail, and as well as the all the amount for debit, credit, closing balance as well as the opening balance. Now suppose if you want the ledger wise trial balance, then here there is the option for ledger wise F5. Just click here ledger wise, you will get the ledger wide trial balance. If you want to get the group wide trial balance, then again click F5 group wise, you will get the group wide trial balance. So this is the discussion on how to view the trial balance in Tally Prime 4.0. I hope you will understand this. Thank you very much.